How to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. If you've accidentally deleted important emails from your Gmail account, there's a way to recover them with the help of Google support. Here's a step-by-step guide to retrieving your emails. First, open the Chrome browser on your device. In the search bar, type help.google.com and press Enter. Once the page loads, you'll see a user-friendly interface. Scroll down to find the Email option under YouTube and click on it. Next, scroll further down until you locate the Fix a Problem option and select it. From the new menu, click on the Gmail Messages Are Missing option. You'll then see three options: Android, computer, and iPhone and iPad. Choose the option that corresponds to your device. For instance, if you're using an Android device, select Android. Scroll down further and click on the Most of my emails are missing link. You'll then be redirected to a page with the message, "We can help find your missing emails and secure your account." Click on this link to proceed. On the next screen, your Gmail account will appear. Select the account associated with the missing emails and click Continue. Once done, scroll down and click the Continue button again to finalize the recovery request. After completing these steps, Google's recovery process will start. Your deleted emails should reappear in your Gmail account within 24 hours. This straightforward process ensures that you can retrieve your important emails quickly and efficiently.